Today I'm gonna do unboxing of the item that I was hunting for 2+ or even more, I would say, years. And I'm gonna do some play dress up with my Kelly and my Birkins. I'm gonna show you 2 of my Birkins and my Kelly. Please guys, stay with me. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name is Oksana. Thank you very much for clicking on this video. Today, as I said, I'm gonna do some unboxing. I recently did unboxing of all my Hermes items that I got on my Paris trip. I'm gonna link this video somewhere over here. Please watch that video. And stay tuned also to handbag unboxing, because I'm planning to do unboxing of the handbags. This item I was trying to get from my local boutique from some time right now. I don't really closely working with my local SA anymore. I'm always kind of hunting on the website and never was available. I was trying to get during my Paris trip. Again, I couldn't get it. And then when I'm back home, I was checking website and it was right there available. I was like, I have to get it. I have to get it. And I'm gonna do a little bit of play dress up with my Kelly and my Birkins. And you know, right now it's really a trend to put all possible, you know, charms, or even when it comes to Birkin or Kellys, you can put your clochette with the key and lock. And of course, you can put your rodeo or Pegasus or any other charms from Hermes. So let's do first this unboxing, and then I did already some of the unboxing from my Paris trip, and you will understand why this specific item is a perfect combo. So let's just do unboxing first. So as I said, I got this item from the website. Usually when it's from the website, that's the packaging. Okay, that's the receipt. It just fell off. Don't worry about that. That's the receipt. That's usually the format that it comes from the website. And clearly by the shape, you already know what is the item. But when I'm gonna show you the exact color combos, you are going to be like, oh my gosh, I know I want to get this also. So let me do unboxing. So excited. I really like when I do unboxing, I always try to be so careful. And this is the item. It's like so black, or black on black rodeo in PM size. Absolute perfection, because black can go with any colors, any shapes, it doesn't matter. And you know, you can use this item pretty much on all possible color of the handbags. But as I said, why I am so extremely excited, because on my previous video I unboxed these 2 twillies that I got during my Paris trip. And as you can see, these 2 twillies is black, white and beige. And see how perfect these 2 twillies with this rodeo. And as I said, I already have not many. I have just a couple of rodeos in my collection. In fact, not even rodeos. I have Pegasus. I have this blue sapphire with sesame and black Pegasus. And then I have this gold with mauve pale and I think it's a charcoal, or I forgot the name of the gray color. It's almost looking like a black, but not black. So I have already these 3. Let me just put the boxes somewhere over here. I have already these two. Obviously, I'm so excited. This one I got on my first Paris trip. This one I got from my local boutique after waiting for God knows how long. I was actually asking for the black, but when they offer me this, I know that I have blue handbags in my collection. And then I got this one from the website. How perfect, how perfect. And it's funny, I remember I was watching Double Vanilla video when she was traveling to Paris trip. I think it was about like 5 or 6 years ago. She was coming to the stand and there was zillions of different rodeos and Pegasus on the displays that you can choose. Right now, nothing like that, even at the Paris. So anyway, let me show you the difference. Some of the moments, maybe I'm gonna speed up. Like, see, this is my Kelly 28 black or noir with gold hardware. And right now I have some kind of pinkish twilly. And I usually put with this pinkish charm because it has that dark gray, almost looking like a black. So it looks like really nice. But even like that, see, when I'm putting black charm, it just gives a little bit different vibe. So now, can you imagine with this twilly? Let me actually maybe even put the twilly. I'm gonna kind of speed up right now, so me putting the twilly on and off, because nobody wants to watch this in slow motion that I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna speed up this process. Okay, so this is a twilly. I actually have even video again kind of dressing up of my handbags, and because I didn't have this color wave of the twilly, I was using my Chanel twilly, which is very close color waves. And see, right now I'm putting my rodeo. See how cute. Absolute perfection, absolute perfection. Love it, love it, love it, love it, guys. But what I'm trying to say, obviously it will look perfect with the black handbag or any, I would say, dark gray, any light color of the handbag. Let's say if you have a gray with this specific twilly, as I said, because the twilly is so neutral. But what I'm gonna show to you, because this is two of my Birkins, and see, this one gold on gold, and right now I have kind of like pinkish with the, again, beige kind of gold color twillies, a little bit of the almost like a burgundy color over there, but kind of more pinkish. And obviously with this Pegasus, it was an absolutely perfect match, especially if like you're gonna put with the look, how it's really beautiful together. Absolutely perfect dress up match. I actually love somehow when the charm kind of stand up a little bit, not absolutely matchy. I mean, it's nice when it's kind of matchy with the black if you want to be kind of more neutral, but to dress up, I actually don't mind a little bit of the color contrast. But what I'm trying to show you, say, if I'm gonna remove this, and I'm gonna remove these twillies, and I'm gonna put this very neutral twilly, and then I'm gonna put this very neutral charm, you see how it gets more of the business-like look, because this look, it's a little bit more playful with the pink, but with the beige, cream and black, it's very office-like, very official looking handbag. So meaning like you can go for a meeting, even like official meeting, like I know some kind of business meeting, and dressing up your Birkin not gonna look a little bit, I mean, too playful, too childish, even if I may say, because this one a little bit more playful in my humble opinion. But let's say you have blue right, handbag. In your case, it could be, I don't know, burgundy, it could be green, it could be as I said already, gray color. And when you put in the blue twilly, obviously again it's working perfectly. And I had this it's actually sesame, almost looking like a gold, but it's sesame. See, again, it's kind of make the bag a little bit more playful. But again, if I gonna put even just on top, let me just quickly go on top really quickly, that it's not gonna take a long time. So it's far away from perfection right now because I just put on top. See how it's right away changing the look of the bag. Previously, like, see with that kind of blue, it's getting more warmer tone of the handbag. But with this twilly, it gets kind of more cooler tone. See how pretty? You know what I mean? Just put in this twilly, put in this charm, and you already can wear with anything black, and it just ties outfit perfectly. I absolutely love it. That's why also when I did my unboxing, I don't have right now black handbag in the sense of like completely black Birkin or something like that. I have only complete Kelly in black color. But what I'm trying to say, even with the colorful handbag, if you're gonna put like very neutral black, white twilly and black charm, or even white charm in this case, and that's what I said this time. Previously I was always buying twilly just by one, so I thought like, oh, it could be really fun to put two different twillies on the bag. No, it's not fun, guys. Remember this. Right now, anytime I'm buying twillies, I'm buying two of them. See how it's totally changing the look of the bag? Completely different look. The same things as I said, if I'm gonna put on my gold Birkin, right away it's gonna look totally different on the gold color Birkin, because it's gonna make that bag looks totally different. Let me just actually try it, just for the fun. Just for the fun of it. Again, gonna speed up this. And that's what I was trying to say, you know, sometime you could have just one neutral color of the Birkin. I mean, like, if you can afford 3, 4, 5 or even more. I know some of the girls have collections of 20 plus or even like, you know, 100 plus Birkins. Clearly not my case, but what I'm trying to say is that even if you're gonna have just one neutral Birkin, let's say in your favorite color, it could be obviously black. Black goes with everything. And clearly just changing different twillies and different charms. I actually love this trend so very much right now that, you know, it's trendy to have different charms, different twillies, because I find it's really changing the look of your handbag in any way you want. You can even with the twillies or charms make your handbag matching your outfit, and it's clearly not thousands of dollars. It just I mean, it's still expensive, Hermes twillies and stuff, but it's just $100, like few hundreds of dollars versus several thousands. See what I mean? See this one in the pink, how playful. And again, you can put pink charm over here, looks a little bit more playful. And see when I'm putting just a neutral like that, and I'm putting totally so black rodeo, you see how it's changing completely the look of the handbag. So I hope first and most you like my new unboxing, my rodeo. And in fact it's my first rodeo, because the other two I have Pegasus I really love them. So my collection very slow but growing, and everything in my collection I would say quite neutral and can go mix and match. And as I said, right now when I'm buying any of my twillies, I always remember that those twillies I'm getting in two, meaning like in pair, versus just the one. So that's about it for today, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me likes, share my video with your friends who is into luxury, specifically into handbags. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Just hit that subscribe button. Thank you very much again, guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.